Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you an automation where an employee photographs a receipt and the system automatically extracts the vendor, date, and amount, then files it in the right folder in Google Drive. Receipt management burns hours every month and still needs reconciliation at quarter end. This automation solves it. Let me walk you through how it works.
Here's the automation itself. It collects information from a source, in this case it's a tally form, brings that information through and creates a folder for vendors or clients in this particular case, and then files the form away depending on certain criteria that we put in. It even creates subfolders, and it can easily be adapted for your need. The logic is already there. If you have any questions, please let me know. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.
So that's the receipt automation pipeline in action. You'll be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit 1ltx.com and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.